Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to hike at the Big Bend Conservation Area. Over here we have a Thames River which flows into goes through a big bend. So that's why it's called Big Bend. Okay, so we are here and we have a swamp forest and then we have a beaver pond. Some wild lilies, rather they are tiger lilies. Let me show you from the close distance. So I found some. Oh. So as the name is suggesting, this is called Big Bend Conservation Area. And so over here we have river Thames, and we have a very big bend. So the river flows through that bend. It's like we have a session of rain over here. So over here we have a marsh area, and I'm seeing lots of tiger lily. As you can see the river over here, and it flows over here to the right hand side. So over here we have a big bend. So because of this, this is called Big Bend Conservation Area. You can see we have a boat ramp over here, and we will walk to the boat ramp. Look at this area over here, it's so beautiful. Big trees. This is so beautiful. Big Bend Conservation Area does have a parking over here as well, along with the day use area. This pavilion is also used. You can use this for day use as well. This is a very nice area, very beautiful. Very colorful pavilion. So I'm going to walk through this pavilion and then I will show you a very good forest area. Okay, so you can see this area, so beautiful right now. Oh, sorry. Now I'm walking towards the ramp area, boat ramp, and you can see the river from the close distance as well. Here you are. So I will read some signage over here. So Thames River and the species which are at risk hotspot. Some more information. The life cycle of mussels. And flowing towards this side. So this is the Big Bend area. I'm going to make a drone shot from here as well. So you can see it's very humid. I'm sweating a lot. My drone is in the air right now and I'm just waiting. I hope you can see it's coming down. We have a blue sky now. We landed successfully. It's back. I love this area of Big Bend Conservation Area with trees in the background. Then we have a pavilion on the right hand side. So this is so beautiful. I guess we are having a thunderstorm now. I'm hearing some thunder noises. This is a very beautiful section of the Big Bend Conservation Area. So I'm just walking a little bit over here and then I will come back.